Today we're gonna talk about a Blender training that was announced by CG Cookie called Human. It has not been released yet, but it will be available on November 23rd on the Blender market. It will focus on achieving photorealism in 3D characters and faces, especially because it is one of the most wanted skills in computer graphics generally, whether it be for VFX, creating video games, animation, or simply for the love of the craft. Realistic portraiture is worthwhile. Although it can be really challenging, yet like every creative process in Blender, creating a lifelike human face can be learned, and you can do it even if you don't have the necessary skills, because you can do it and learn it step by step. Human is a deep dive course into the process of portraiture, and it is created by the instructor Ken Trammell, who has been a Blender instructor at CG Cookie for nearly 10 years. The training goes through the process of how to make a realistic human step by step. You will be taken through the foundations of facial anatomy, texturing, grooming, and lighting, just to name a few things, in addition to exploring Blender's capabilities. One of the goals is to prove that anyone can create realistic human faces with Blender. Moreover, even beginners can join this course because it is designed with all the skill sets considered according to the creators of this course. Moreover, due to the advanced nature of this subject, an intermediate level of experience is optimal, even though you can follow as a beginner because you will learn some good lessons. What you will get with this training is more than 80 lessons across 5 chapters. It is gonna be over 25 hours of video, which I believe is gonna be step by step covered in detail. And the project source files will be available in addition to an atomic reference tool with $30 of value. According to CG Cookie, the first chapter will cover human head sculpting, starting from scratch, then refining each facial feature individually until having a fully formed human head. Additionally, this chapter will focus on various facial features like the face, age, gender, and ethnicity. Chapter 2 revolves around doing retopology for your head sculpt for a clean wireframe, transferring all the sculpted details over your new model, along with modeling extra objects like clothing and accessories. Chapter 3 covers texturing and material creation, because the human skin is one of the most difficult materials to get right, so it requires a lot of work. You will go through the whole process, from building up layers of the hand-painted color, baked geometry data, and procedural textures. You will also learn everything about the eyes in this chapter. The 4th chapter focuses on the hair to learn the fundamental aspects of hair grooming. Chapter 5 is about the lighting and rendering to present your work in the best possible way, starting with the basic 3-point lighting setup, then adding photorealistic post-processing effects. Then you will study 6 common studio light setups for portraits, and conclude the chapter with the scene-based lighting to give your portraits interesting context. So if you are interested in this course, you can pre-order it now from the Blender market, and you can find the necessary links in the description. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.